BJP members in New Delhi have organized rallies across the city to protest against the petrol price hike. Bhavtosh joining us for more details. Bhavtosh, massive rallies seen across the capital in protest.
Yes, Niranjan, in fact, there is a big traffic jam in several parts of Delhi, at least at 14 important traffic junctions, including the all-important National Highway 24, which connects UP with Delhi. In fact, we are at Akshardham Commonwealth Games Village, where traffic has come to a standstill for past 1 hour. And the BJP workers say that they will continue the demonstration for nearly for many more hours. And they say the government has to roll back this increase in price. And if they don't do so, then in days to come, they will carry out such protests in several parts of not only Delhi, but also in other parts of the country.
Bhavtosh, have any arrests being made in the rallies? Because we do see a lot of police deployment around these rallies.
As of now, the Delhi police have decided not to detain anyone. They have said that it's a peaceful protest. That in fact, they are trying to convince the BJP workers to leave the site. But officers have said that if this continues, if the traffic situation deteriorates further, then it's likely that few will be taken into custody. But as of now, the policy of wait and watch that Delhi police is following, they are just hoping that the BJP worker leave the site and so that traffic can resume. But as of now, it's a big hardship for those who are moving from UP, particularly from Ghaziabad and Noida towards Delhi.
Well, we're also given to understand at this point of time that there are massive traffic jams around Delhi. Give us an update about what the situation is.
Well, at Ring Road, there is a protest by BJP workers near Moti Bagh flyover. Then there is a protest in South Delhi at BRT corridor and also at National Highway 24. Apart from these three important places, BJP workers have also stopped traffic in Rohini, in Mangolpuri, at Outer Ring Road, and also in some parts in West Delhi. So clearly, for those who are leaving their houses early in the morning, they face traffic jams in several parts of the city. And BJP workers say that if the government doesn't roll back the hike in price, then it's likely that they will block traffic in days to come.
Thanks, Bhavtosh.